If you've got allergies and you're worried about dust in your air ducts, number one, it's important that you inspect those air ducts to see how dusty they are. We have a camera system that we can show you the inside of your ducts, but you can also just remove a register and get your phone up and in there, or if you can actually get up there with your eyes and see how dirty it is, maybe do a little swipe with a damp paper towel or something and see how dirty it is. That dust is coming from somewhere. So number one, it's important to address it at the source. How's it getting into the duct system? It should be a closed and sealed system with a filter keeping it from getting contaminated. But if the ducts have been there for a long time, we have a very sophisticated duct cleaning machine that we bring out, and we send brushes and vacuums up into that duct system to break free and pull out all that dust and contaminants so that you can be breathing clean, fresh air again. Whenever we do a duct system, we're going to inspect the entire system, and we're going to figure out how did the duct system become contaminated in the first place. We typically look for duct leaks, like breaks in the duct or areas where unfiltered, unclean air can be coming into that system. We also look for bad filtration, which would be almost the same as a broken duct, because if the filter's not catching things, we're just pulling in all the dirty air and it's not cleaning it before it goes into the duct system. So some of the things we recommend if we find issues in a home are better filtration and sealing up the duct system. A good duct cleaning can restore your duct system to near perfect condition. And in some places, we can clean ducts that aren't otherwise able to be replaced. If you do find that you need to change some of the ducts in order to make the space and the duct system perfect and ready for delivering clean air for the near future or for time to come, don't worry. Any AC professional can help you replace and repair broken ducts or leaky duct sections, as well as cleaning the ducts. The most important thing is that you address it, and yes, cleaning your duct system will absolutely help those allergies.